And this is a really easy part, and thus it should be really easy to make as well. We'll just use the Revolve. So let's start with the modeling of the drawing T1.01.010. And it's a really easy one. We'll just start with our front plane, we'll make a sketch, and once again we'll start with a center line. And since this is all the way down countersunk, we'll do this entire thing with a revolve. It's quite easy. 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines. And this one needs to be 90 degrees. So we'll put this one to 45. This is already connected to Rigo, that's great. And the distance here should be 5.5. And the outer diameter should be 20. And as you can see, it intersects itself. This is not a big problem. We'll just move it along until it looks good once again. And here we'll pick the dimension 3 millimeters. That's it. We'll close this one. We'll pick feature, revolve boss base. We'll rotate it around 360 degrees. Great. Now we have to pick our material. Right click on material, edit. And we'll look into the Dean materials. This is an aluminium alloy, right? And this is the 5005. We'll apply this one. Great. File, properties, and we'll add the description, blockeringsskiva. And the weight, okay, just put it in here. Now we messed up. Mass, a space in between, and grams. And we'll have to put in the material. It's already connected. And the finish. And this needs to be illustrated. That's about it. That's a really easy part, isn't it?